Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. In today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of January, and I have every single product from the box on my face. Let's get right into it. I also have my drop shop order has already come in. I don't know, the world is going to blow up or what is going to happen, because that's a miracle. Okay. Y'all come here for the silliness, right? I have the card. My lights are really bright, aren't they? Let's see if I can fix that. One moment, please. And now, for a little bit of ambiance. Now I look kind of dark, don't I? But you can see the makeup better on my face. I have a card, and I am going to go in order of how I put the products on my face. Two of the products in the box I chose. One of the products they just sent me, and I got it again. That's alright though, I'm not mad. The first product is this Lys Beauty Think Bright Serum. Love Lys. I love them. I chose this product because I don't remember what my other choices were, but I didn't care for them. And because I already have this product and I know that it's amazing, I chose it so that I could put it in your giveaway box. This is a hydrate serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It retails for $28. Lys, in my opinion, is a very affordable brand. And it is used to instantly awaken dull, uneven skin with this weightless, radiance-boosting serum that's sure to brighten and quench your skin's thirst. Infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, this face serum is the secret to supple, youthful-looking skin. And here's what they sent me, and this is my bottle, which is what I used. I did not open this at all. I love the pearlized look to this. It does give your face, as you could see when I was using it, a very nice glow, and I'm still very glowy. I'm not sure that all of this glow is just from this, because there are some other very glowy products in this box. Next up is this Ofra Cosmetics On The Glow Pro Palette. I believe that I also chose this product. Glow Like You Mean It, the ultimate tool for creating a bronzed glow. The stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones, whether you are a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves variety. This palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM. And this palette retails for a whopping $149, and I am here to tell you I would never pay $149 for this palette. I am not a fan of Ofra products. I know that they have amazing highlighters, and I believe from what I have seen that their lip products are really, really good. But the rest of their products are very powdery to me. I have a few of their blushes, and they're very powdery. As a matter of fact, I decluttered them because I just did not care for them. Also, I know a lot of brands do this, but I don't care for their pans when they put all of these colors in here. That just doesn't work for me. And just like this blush is not too bad, but with it mixed in with the other, and I know you can swirl and do all the things, but for me personally, that is not something that interests me. I do love their highlighters. Their highlighters are phenomenal. The one thing that I do like about this palette is that you can take these pans out, and I have some other pans that are about this size. So now I have a nice palette that I can put those in. So I'm excited about that because, I mean, the bronzer works fine. I know it looks like I have a line, but that I have a mark from where I did my hair and I had a cap on it and it left a mark. And I mean, that was hours ago. So, the bronzer looks fine. It's a little too warm for me. Maybe it wouldn't be too warm in the summertime, but either way, I prefer a cooler bronzer on me. And it's also glowy, and I'm really not a fan of glowy bronzers. The blush looks really nice, as you can see, or as you saw. It took several tries to get it to build up, and again, very, very powdery. So I am going to enjoy the highlighters though. The eyeshadow palettes that I have from Ofra are terrible in my opinion. I do not care for them at all. I love the color stories in some of their palettes, but I just don't like how their shadows perform. So $149, ladies and gentlemen. Nope. And then we have the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. And did I get this in my base box? I'm pretty sure I got this in my base box, and so now I'm getting it in my premium box as well. This product retails for $28, and I did not use this one. I'm going to keep this one. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, if I'm going to gift it to somebody or put it in the giveaway box. But since I already had the palette from my base box, I went ahead and used this. Colors you'll adore for the moments you'll cherish. This palette includes 6 warm buttery shades ranging from rosy hues to rich burgundy with a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish. You can create endless looks for all the gatherings and fun events ahead. Ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. And I really do like it. I think that the look that I created is very pretty. It is a very wearable look. I would absolutely wear this to work. This has a 12-month shelf life. And let's see, are they cruelty-free? I thought that they were cruelty-free, and I do not see where this is vegan. Which with these shades, I would not imagine that it would be vegan. Really, I love Dominique Cosmetics anyway. I love her. I love what the company stands for. As far as I know, there's no issues, no drama, none of the things. So, and her shadows perform amazingly. So this looks really good. And then we have the Item Beauty. You can see that I completely tore up the box getting the product out of it. The Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lucky Line Long Wear Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. And it was very easy to put on. I struggle a little bit tight lining my eye only because my skin is so loosey-goosey and crepey that it just makes it a little bit more difficult to tight line. It's not impossible. I can get the job done in any way. I just do whatever I have to do to get the job done. Doesn't necessarily look attractive, but I don't care. This retails for $14, and it's an ultra soft, easy glide, clean gel pencil that is water, sweat, and smudge proof for intense, long-lasting pigment and a creamy matte finish. And as you can see by looking at my lower waterline, it did not transfer, which is good. It did not transfer. I put right much up there trying to get it on, so that's really good. I really do like that a lot. This next product I am quite excited about. It is a mascara from Oma Beauty. Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara, and it is in the shade Kim, K-E-M. It's black. This bestseller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass-shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. Well, how about that? That's pretty cool. I am not a fan of an hourglass mascara brush, but this one was smaller. Normally the hourglass brushes are really big and I don't like them because my eyes are crepey and I end up with mascara all over my lids and it ends up on my nose, and I just, you know, I don't like big hourglass brushes. The size of this brush was really good. I didn't have any trouble putting it on. It went on very easy. It did not clump. It does give some volume and a little bit of lift to my lashes. I did not curl my lashes because I don't normally, but this retails for $19.50, which is a good price for a mascara, and I actually really like it. And the last product in my box is this Ofra Cosmetics long-lasting liquid lipstick. And like I said, I think Ofra is kind of known for their lipsticks. This was my first time trying one of their lipsticks, and it went on easy. It is not sticky. It feels very comfortable on the lips. I really do like the shade. This retails for $20, and it is in the shade Canyon. Fall in love with mattes again with this ultra comfortable and long-lasting lip color that stays put but doesn't dry out your pout. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, lips are healthy, pigmented, and perfectly lined for up to 5 hours with this yummy scented formula. And I did notice the scent when I was putting it on. It does have a nice scent. I'm not exactly sure what that is, and they didn't mention what the scent was, did they? It did not come in a box or anything, so there's nothing to indicate what the scent is. That is my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of January, and the total value of my box comes to $258.50, and I think I'm paying now $41 a month. They, of course, went up like everybody else did because of product price increases and shipping cost and all the things. But I'm okay with spending $41 and receiving $258 worth of product. So what do y'all think? I think the bronzer is way too warm for me, but other than that, I enjoyed all of the products. Moving on to Drop Shop. Was it Drop Shop? I don't think it was a Mega Drop. I don't know. I only got 2 different items. I did get the Dominique Cosmetics Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. I'm excited to give this a try because, again, I really do like her products. Comes in a little pump tool. That's cute. Starting fresh. I love that she puts little messages in her packaging. So I'm excited about that. Mascara's trying to get away. And for those of you that know me, y'all know that I love these Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. These retail for $20 a tin. They're in a little tin. There are 10 sets in here. There they are. I love these. They're felt on the back side, and then they have like a gel that you place down on your skin. They're kind of sticky, so they adhere well to your under eye, It's not all slippy and sloppy and wet and all over the place. I put these on and wear them while I'm sleeping so that when I get up in the morning, it has really helped my under eyes. And sometimes this eye, you can see it's looking a little puffy today. Sometimes in the mornings it's more puffy than, normal. I'm guessing because of how I sleep. I don't know. Something I do. My eye gets puffy, so when I wear these, that also helps to keep that puffiness down. So I love these. I got them in the drop shop or the mega drop hoppin' shopping for $6, I think. And they retail for $20. So when I see them, I grab quite a few because I'm all about saving money. So there we go. I appreciate you being here with me. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And if you're new here and you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button and hang around for all of the rest of the craziness that happens around here. As always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you subscribe to BoxyCharm? Maybe you should get you a BoxyCharm subscription so you can do the mega drop hopping shopping too. Save you some money so you can take that money and buy fishing lures with it, okay? Mom loves you, boo.